I understand, you know?
Wait, what?
Video just started, bro. Yo. Chat. Video just started, you know, brother?
Daddy is crazy though. Like, we don't even know each other.
Video,
I
bro.
don't know what's gonna get your attention at this point. Like, I've been like,
Love that energy.
so, like, can we just skip forward to like you give me your number so I can just log in?
No. Can I get your Instagram or no?
Out here rizzing up, man. They out
Here is the me, man. I love that clip. Check, yeah.
What's good? How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Doing good. From Philly?
No, I'm from Harrisburg, PA.
You look good though. You look good.
Real good.
Okay. You look a little awkward though.
Yeah, I know I am.
But it's cute though. It fits you.
Oh, thank you.
What's all that,
So far. What's your name?
Jada.
It's Jameer.
Hey, shot snipe.
Jameer.
What's your Instagram?
Like, geeked out. Geeked out.
5 years ago till now.
Geeked out.
You don't even like read.
Nah, Jammeer editing OC, bro. Like, this nigga do all his editing. Like, yo, Jammeer. Jammeer, I doing thing.
Real. It's the nigga real.
Dre, yo, this is all the features. Like, this is Dre, yo, Cobsy, word two. There's so many notes on.
What you like, a white girl, son?
I'm a white girl.
Oh no, I love my snow buddies, coach.
Hey, chill. Don't it. After Uma, see this.
You fine shit. You on stream or something? Why you look so good?
That's just me.
I like your teeth and everything.
What you got like?
Yes, sir.
Like your eyes.
Thank you. I like your tattoos.
What's your name?
I'm Erin. What's your name?
My name's Ja.
That's nice. I like that. I know a lot of jobs.
Best one you gonna meet. You can throw all of them out the window.
Real confident.
Cause I f***ing feel like it with a big ass dick.
Like how you talk.
Whoa.
You ain't stopped smiling since I've been here either. What's up?
Stop noticing everything.
Just noticing all the things I like about you.
You know how to talk, and I don't like that. How many other bitches you be talking to like this?
Yo.
Why you keep looking over there? Like,
A lot.
Not really. Not with you.
So what's up? You got like Instagram and stuff like that?
I'm gonna type it for you.
took a little break. Y'all need to calm down.
How old are you?
21.
Where are you in Virginia?
21.
When you coming to see me? That's
Ooh,
a real
where that at?
When you coming to see me? That's a real question. You got Instagram?
Yeah.
Tell me that shit.
You are.
You got a kid?
Yeah, I have a 2-year-old.
I ain't trying to be his daddy. I'm trying to be your daddy.
You don't fuck with my kid?
Yo.
Them kids, bro.
Where's the doctor? I need to go back in.
Yo, yeah, chill. Yeah, I gotta chill, bro.
Look good, damn. Hold on, where you at?
I'm from Ohio.
Damn.
Your name Diamond?
Yeah.
I don't like one.
What's your name?
My name's Jameer.
Diamond and Jammeer. Don't that sound so cute?
You ain't seen not one lie yet. You got a tongue piercing?
Mm-hmm.
I'm only in my mouth and shit.
It's okay.
I don't like how you on in this app though. I need you off this shit.
But you on it
Damn,
too.
this is a big battle, you know what I'm
It's
saying?
hard to find already.
Stop saying all that stuff.
That niggas in his. And they hit the like button.
Damn, like, that's what I'm saying, y'all. You the like button, yeah, nigga. Goddamn.
One behind my arm. My spine tattoo.
Why you getting spine tats for?
Always fun to look at something and have something to aim for. Let me get your Instagram or your or number, either one.
Say.
You be getting the bitches, don't you?
You got me.
It's always you get hoes. It's never I'm your girl now.
I'm gonna be your wife, and we can do all this together.
Facts. It's always you get hoes. It's never I'm your girl now. You know what I'm saying?
Girl said wham in the circle. Even even look.
Wait. I mean, damn, you tatted the fuck up.
Yeah, you see it.
Yeah.
You need to know you got some ones. Hold on.
What's that?
I thought Make it rain on
Yes,
this
sir.
Make it rain on that bitch. Come on, I'm ready. Let's go. What we doing? Only got shit. That's all she.
$3 for that.
That's all she get.
I'm broke, nigga. I'm broke. Get a plastic bag.
Hey, go crazy for him, baby. Go crazy for him, baby. You looking for me, baby?
The same, bro. Ah, yeah. We need to go outside. The club come to me, you heard? I'm that nigga.
Exactly.
101 Dalmatian, bitch. I'm looking for a golden retriever.
Yeah, come on.
Okay, ready?
Is y'all open for Halloween?
Damn.
Where your costume at? Oh, you swat.
You
Wait, y'all gonna be
swat.
arresting niggas?
You want to come arrest?
What I do?
What I do?
What I
You wanna
do?
arrest me for?
I don't know. You look too far.
Huh? What did he do to make them niggas that mad?
Yeah.
The fuck? Oh, nigga, I had to get on my. I had to gather my composure.
You in Texas, right?
Yeah, I was supposed to ask you when I'm buying your ticket.
Oh, see. Hey, that Jameer, you can keep that in. Hey, that nigga got one shot. Health bar gone. Yeah, that fried him. She fried that nigga.
Yo,
Put the camera back up. Are you like?
cause I feel like I've done like.
You don't want?
I just feel like you fine shit for like.
That's
So sad. Super sad.
Cause I get nervous on the guy.
Look, take a deep breath. How you doing?
Super
yo?
sad.
Look at me when you. I like eye contact, yo.
I finna go crazy in this bitch.
Go crazy. Go crazy.
I'm gonna come like minute.
Hey, I'm a little bit too into this shit, bro. I'm a little too immersed. Chat, listen, look too immersed, man. Too in it, bro.
This is like the full package for like, but.
Yeah, listen, I
be isolated from the
stay focused, brothers. Stay focused. Listen, I'm there.
I ain't there. Only stop when I say.
Bro, you gotta like. Yes. Like you really some funny shit. Like the world just don't deserve you. Like.
How old are you?
Yes.
So what are you? What you mix with?
I'm Mexican and Salvadorian.
You crazy.
Yeah, damn, she
I'm
OC.
a
She
very
OC.
calm person.
That bitch is crazy.
Like,
Yeah.
I'm straight up with you. So
Yeah, she
like, if I
crazy,
feel
Chad.
like
Nigga,
I'm
so
not feeling you. I'm
she
letting
crazy,
you know.
Chad.
You're already beautiful and you got the good mindset.
Thank you.
You find out you the full package.
I am, but I really gotta feel you out.
Let's fill each other out because I want to look at you smile.
Yeah, she do got a tough ass smile. Oh, shit.
What's up? What's that number, son?
863.
Gets the ball, puts up a three-pointer.
Hey.
What's your name? I love
Yeah.
you.
Jameer when he said this, bro. Yo, I love this. That is bro.
Name Mary's man.
He
was different. Bro. I like a
He
unibrow.
was different.
Like right middle,
No, I don't.
a little more. Wipe it a
No,
little.
I don't. Shut up.
With a baby
You
like
look
that.
like Duke Dennis. Kiss my ass. Shut up.
I would never kiss your ass.
I don't care.
I'll thank you so you can leave.
Bro, you're just rude for no reason.
You didn't go to college either, did you?
I did.
What?
Nursing.
Nurse?
Yes.
Or you failed?
Huh? Nursing.
Nurse?
Yo.
Yes.
Or you failed?
Huh?
Nurse?
Yes.
Or you failed?
Huh?
Nah, bro, I had to replay that shit.
Look like this nigga right here. I'm just looking at ass, ugly, fat, brown face motherfucker. Shut the fuck up. I ain't
Nah, frying her shit. Oh, nah, frying her shit. Got her shit.
Get out. Get out. No, thank you. Not interested. No, thank you.
Nah, this New York,
When I come back,
bro. This
it'll
is
be-
that New York Fortune, bro. New York Fortune, bro.
A few moments later.
New
What the fuck
York.
are you looking at? Look back at your phone.
Why are you such an angry spirit?
You must be
Shut up.
fucking
Hey,
retarded or deleted.
don't talk over me. Shut the fuck up. I'm talking.
Oh, hell no. Don't. See, you keep telling me what to do, and now I'm gonna keep doing it. Like, what?
Shut up, though.
No, I didn't.
Thank you for listening. Good girl.
You actually got me fucked up.
Don't give a fuck.
Hey,
How was your day?
nah, she
Call me
laughing.
fucking ugly and fat.
Get Get your fat ass on the treadmill then. Don't blame me. It's not my fault. Let me.
Pissing me off. You're pissing me
Nah,
off.
she geeked out. She geeked out. Chat, that right there, fool. That chat, that right there, fool.
You said you tatted up and shit. Look at us.
Yeah.
Look at us.
Supposed to be my
Look at us.
I mean, it don't sound too bad.
I might have to take you under my wing or something. You in Alabama? I'll let a few miles come between us.
I was playing with that, man. I swapped that to a shot. I swapped that to a
What
shot.
you got, like Instagram or something?
You gonna add me for real, or you just?
I was just bullshitting, and you know this, man.
Hey,
What's good with you?
I'm good.
You look good, yo.
You do too.
I can see you around me for real, though.
Like a rapper, like MAFT ski.
Make you say that because I'm tatted.
Ooh.
You know him?
No, I don't know him.
We fine. Real fine.
But don't talk about another nigga in front of me. I don't like that fanned out shit, so don't do that no more. Understood?
I got it.
What's the worst lie you ever heard your owner say?
They said we going to the park. 10 minutes later, I'm getting a thermometer stuck up my ass.
This how I'ma do you.
Got too many people watching. Bye.
So many people watching. Bye. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Jammeer. As usual. Jammeer, as usual, chat. I'm gonna leave y'all. For the people I should have chat.
Forgot it was mud. I don't cross, so I couple with drugs. I don't know when my time gonna come. I'm at the bottom back where I begun.